This is the Worldmark on Spencer. It's a one bedroom, room 206 on the second floor. Parking is free. There are no elevators, so luggage and personal items will have to be carried up the stairs. This is a full one bedroom, one bathroom, vacation condo with a full kitchen. It has a microwave, a gas stove, a full-size refrigerator, double sinks. They provide basic cutlery. They provide a knife block, a toaster, a blender, most kitchen essentials. There's a full living room with a television, a fireplace, plenty of seating. There's a coffee table. The Murphy bed is in the living room, so some of that stuff may need to be moved when it's time to sleep if you're using the Murphy bed. There's an outdoor patio with a table and 2 chairs. There are blinds on the patio so you can block out the light there. In the bedroom, there's a king-size bed with a TV and an alarm clock. It's just a regular clock. It's not a smart clock. There's a full-size mirror. In the bathroom, you have a single sink with a shower tub combo, which is pretty useful if you're traveling with young children. The toilet is in one of the closets with the door. It's that privacy door. I always find that a little weird. But there is a full bathroom, and the washer and dryer is also located in the bathroom. There's that outdoor patio. Back in the kitchen, just showing some of the supplies that they provide. We always find that Worldmark locations are well stocked. They do provide a water pitcher. That's pretty standard in all the resorts we've seen. The refrigerators have ice makers and reservoirs to collect ice if you need a bunch of it. Storage containers. They usually provide baking dishes, pots and pans. Unique to Worldmark, unlike Margaritaville, unlike Shell, unlike Club Wyndham, Worldmark provides the spices, the starter spice kit, spatulas, cutlery, kitchen towels, cutting board. For somebody who likes to cook, you'll find their pots and pans are pretty good quality. The kitchen is usually well stocked. We have what we need when we arrive. We usually don't have to call and request more supplies. But as you can see, this day we did not get a smiley face in the kitchen. We didn't get the scrub mama. We have our ironing board and iron. The extra bedding was already in the closet. There was a broom in there. The gas fireplace was easy to turn on. We just turned the knob. The bathroom is well stocked. They provide the pool towels underneath the bathroom cabinet. Of course, you get the hair dryer. You get the starter laundry detergent to go with the washer and dryer. And there you have the Worldmark one bedroom at Spencer.